Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to use Jenni AI for literature review. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for Jenni AI. After that, open the official website and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, click on the Start Writing button at top right and you will be prompted to either sign in or create a new account. Once you are done with it, click on the New Document button on the left side and a window will appear on your screen. Simply type in the topic on which you would like to write the literature review, and once you are done, click on the Start Writing button. Now, it will start writing the literature review and frequently ask you if the format is correct. If it is, click on the Accept button. But if it isn't, you can select Customize and change it to your preference. You can see that the literature review is completed. But in order to write a new one, you just need to click on the New Document button again and repeat the same steps. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.